Welcome to SoftSpot Reviews. Today talk about WP Host, lifetime unlimited WordPress hosting. WP Host lets you host unlimited websites on ultra-fast servers for a one-time affordable cost. You can host all your website content, including images, videos, graphics, and files. You'll also get complete website security with free end-to-end SSL encryption. Plus, enjoy unlimited bandwidth and email account setup at no extra cost. In addition to these features, WP Host provides enhanced DDoS protection, automatic website migration, one-click WordPress installation, hundreds of premium WordPress themes and plugins, WordPress acceleration, automatic updates, on-demand backups, an advanced control panel, and more. Now I am inside the simple dashboard of WP Host, and I'll provide you with a quick demo of the product. But before we start, I want to mention that there is an affiliate link in the video description below. If you purchase the product through my affiliate link, you'll get 33 extra bonuses from me. All bonuses will be available inside the Warrior Plus purchase dashboard next to your purchased product. For details on the extra bonuses, check the bonus page link in the video description below. Returning to the dashboard, here's a brief demo of the product. In the dashboard, you can see the bandwidth consumption for the current and previous months, latest access, server information, IP address, server main domain, and package name. You also have access to the CWP, Control Web Panel, where you can manage processes, edit PHP settings, and receive notifications. The PHP selector, additional security features, and statistics are also available. Inside the File Management section, you'll find File System Lock, Anti-Scan, and File Manager options. Clicking on the File Manager, you can view all your files under the public HTML directory. The dashboard also includes FTP account backup options, directory protection, disk usage logs, and more. You can add new domains and subdomains from their respective sections. The Auto SSL and Custom SSL features ensure your website's security. In the Database section, you'll find PHP-MyAdmin, MySQL Manager, and other tools. The Email Account section allows you to create unlimited email accounts and set up email forwarding, autoresponders, email filters, and more. DNS functions, add and script installation, and the Site Pro Web Builder are also available. This simple dashboard displays disk space usage and bandwidth consumption. For your convenience, I have provided an affiliate link in the video description below. If you purchase the product through my affiliate link, you will receive 33 extra bonuses from me, all accessible inside the Warrior Plus purchase dashboard. That's all about WP Host and a brief demo. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you and goodbye.